So hello everyone, আমি আমাৰ next ভিডিঅ'ত আহিছো য'ত আমি পঢ়িম যে কেনেকুৱা kingdom system টো develop কৰা হৈছে. We will study about the development of kingdom system that we found or that we will find out right now. Now there are various kingdoms of life, okay? So first of all, the two domain system. Two domain system means only two kingdoms was found. Duta kingdom বা দুটা ৰাজ্য পোৱা গৈছিল. এটা হল plants আৰু animalia. Plants দিয়া হৈছিল, planted দিয়া হৈছিল আৰু animalia দিয়া হৈছিল। আৰু এইটো কোনে কৰিছিলে by Carolus Linnaeus. এই প্ৰথম এটা kingdom system, the first kingdom system that was proposed by this. But as there was not much organism discovered at that time, he found that the organisms that was already discovered were put in animalia and planted, okay? But slowly and gradually, since there was discovery of more organisms, basically aru organism discovered kora start hol aru ihotor characteristics bur plantor logoto nimile animal logoto nimile tetia ki hoise there was a modification in the system and some other domain systems were brought into aru notun domain systems ana hoise. So second ki hol three domain system of tumaloge sabayate Ernest Haeckel anisile Plantae, Animalia, Protista ete jibur microorganisms asil ihot ar jibur organisms jibla Plantae logot nimile Animalia logot nimile ihotok eta belek grouping kora hosil hey grouping ketak ami Protista boli kom thik ase to ei practice to kone anisile ba ei technique to kone anisile ba ei system to anisile amar Ernest Haeckel. After this system, it was rejected because later on there was a discovery of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Means you cannot. There was a differentiation of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Since there was a proper differentiation of prokaryotes and eukaryotes, where you can see the differences on the basis of the you can see on the basis of the nucleus. So for this, differences has been brought out into the public. So slowly and gradually, different scientists again worked on the kingdom system, and for the third time, the fourth domain system was brought into by Copeland. Here he divided into four kingdom system. Monera, jibur amar bacteria, lower organism, prokaryotic unicellular organisms of amar ki korise monera thoise. Protocystia, protoctista yate jibur organisms jeneka protista ami kom heibur organisms yate humai dia ase jenekwa amar algae, blue green algae ibur thik ase itu a bit higher than that of monera thik ase tar pisot ahise ki metaphyta ki hoy jibur multicellular eukaryotes organisms of yate metaphyta boli koa hoise according to Copeland, and yate jibur plants, aquatic plants or land plants of ibilak ko thumaise metaphyta thumaise. Metazoa means it is also higher organisms. The group belongs to higher organisms where the cells are eukaryotes, and what we can say is that all the animals are put into this group. The difference of this and this was here there was a chloroplast was present, whereas chloroplast and cell wall was not present in the metazoa. Later on, after further discoveries of new organisms, there was a need for a broader description or broader idea or broader kingdom system. So you have already know, I think so, that by R.H. Whitaker, he gave 5 kingdom theory, where Monera was a unicellular prokaryotes, Protista unicellular eukaryotes, fungi. The new group came, fungi was put into this particular section. Okay, it was a eukaryotic, but it is multicellular. Plantae, there was cell wall, and there was chloroplast and animalia. As you all know, it is also eukaryotic, but they did not have cell wall and this one. But later on, Monera was divided into two. One is Archaebacteria Archaebacteria and another was Eubacteria. Now when we talk about Archaebacteria, এইবোৰ ব্যাকটেরিয়া যিবোৰ মানে তোমাৰ some different types of bacteria যেটো আমাৰ normal bacteria লগত নিমিলে সেই ব্যাকটেরিয়াবোৰ ইয়াতে সোমাই দিয়া হৈছে ঠিক আছে তো এটো তোমাৰ ব্যাকটেরিয়াটো কেনেকুৱা আছে এনভায়রনমেন্টের লগত thermophilic bacteria all these bacteria will be included in Archaebacteria, whereas Eubacteria যিবোৰ আমাৰ general bacteria microorganisms যিবোৰ bacteria coccus হ'ব পাৰে spiroform হ'ব পাৰে যিবোৰ original bacteria those bacteria can put into Eubacteria. So here also in Monera when Carl was it was divided into two types, one is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. So by this means we can understand that the system of biological classification it did not come suddenly to five domain system, although it came into in a stepwise manner by the discoveries of new organisms, and we can see from how 2 domain system we got 5 domain, and later on from 5 domain how we divided Monera into 2 and formed a total 6 domain system. So this is how kingdoms were formed, number of kingdoms were formed, and that is the basis for the biological classification that we are going to study later. Now ami lahe lahe eta ke porim. Now we will study first of all about Monera, then we will go to Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Okay, so for this video for this topic we end here. We will start Monera in our next class. Thank you.